I'm Joseph Brusuelas, Chief Economist at RSM. Today we're going to talk about the first quarter 2019 Middle Market Business Index. As we take a look at broad business conditions for the middle market, we see that according to our survey, which was sampled between January 14th and February 1st, 2019, middle market business outlook has eased from 132 during the final 3 months of 2018 to 124.1 in the current quarter. Now, while that suggests that business conditions and overall economic activity have eased, as we lift up the hood to take a look at our internals, what we see is that current and future expectations on revenues, profits, capital expenditures, employment, compensation, and prices received all signal that the middle market has pulled back not only on economic expectations in the current quarter, but those looking forward over the next 6 months. Now, what we think is causing this are three primary factors. First, the drawn-out trade conflict that the United States finds itself in with several countries, most notably China. Second, the long government shutdown that encompassed at least 3 of the weeks of our sampling period. And then 3, the financial volatility that we observed during the last 90 days of 2018 in December clearly began to spill over into the real economy. While we are not saying a recession is imminent, we are beginning to see data across the economy and even in our own survey that does denote some concern. Most notably, outlays on capital expenditures, which are critical to productivity in order to meet growth. While we are not in a recession, that may be one of the canaries in the coal mine that the economy could possibly slow at an increasing pace should the uncertainty tax associated with the trade conflict, instability out of Washington, D.C. around the government, and financial volatility not abate. And when we take a look at the middle market, growth is there, but it slowed noticeably. We're going to need to see the China-U.S. trade conflict resolved in coming days to ensure that we do not have another government shutdown organized around lifting the U.S. debt ceiling, and we're going to need to see a period of calm across financial asset markets, especially U.S. equity markets, which appear to have caused a pullback in both overall spending and industrial production. I'm Joseph Brusuelas. That's been your first quarter 2019 RSM Middle Market Business Index.